I'm Martin Jones and welcome to the Marposs booth in EMO 25. Today I'm going to explain a little bit about our machine tool wall. So if you'd like to follow me. Within our machine tool wall, we're concentrating here on both workpiece and machine reliability and giving measuring capability to the machines themselves. So for our workpiece, we have both Artis equipment and also MAINDO. Here we have complete tool and process monitoring capabilities where we're measuring power, force, vibration, flow, anything required within the cutting area itself. To ensure correct tool condition, we also have our new VTS. We have it in various sizes, in small field and in wide field, now able to measure the complete and small tool visually. Also, a new release for us is our Ultra Wideband Probing System, where we've taken the transmission frequency a lot higher. This now reduces any external influence, either from Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It also means that we have the capability of a lot more number of systems within a machining cell with less radio interference. On our machine side, we have collision monitoring. This is able to react and stop the machine within 1 millisecond. So maintaining the condition of the machine, reducing damage that's the consequential damage. We also have our axis check, that we can check the position of the axis to maintain accuracy within the machine. So, and of course, with all of our equipment, what's going to happen? We generate data. Data is a valuable tool that users can access to make improvements, to understand issues. We also have with us the see-through software that allows us to collect and visualize any of those conditions. Whether it's data from energy consumption, whether it is data from the probing systems from the machine. It is all displayed and is capable to be analyzed. So this is only a brief overview of the equipment that we have got on our wall, and certainly within the Marposs booth.